guys, good evening. Ayan, meron na naman tayong natatanggap na blessings from Ma'am Joycel Briones. Wow, thank you so much. Ang bigat.
Thank you,
Thank you, Ma'am Joycel. Thank you so much sa blessings.
Thank you,
So,
Ma'am
mag-unbox.
Joycel.
Tingnan natin kung ano yung pinadala ni Ma'am Joycel. Guys, buksan na natin tong blessings na bigay ni Ma'am Joycel sa atin. Galing pa ito ng malayong malayo. Ay, thank you so much po. So, tingnan na natin guys kung ano yung laman ng box.
It's so exciting. Oh my God.
Excited si Sophia.
I just cut.
Please don't drop. Ano kaya yung laman nito? Bakit ayaw ipabagsak?
Let's see there. I think there's
Oh, nilabita lang.
I don't know. Let me see where it goes. Because I do not know where she will put that in there. Let's. Oh my God. It looks like a big monster.
Oh, it's a monster inside.
It looks like a big monster trying to get the cave.
Wow!
Look, there's paper.
And then Lin.
What?
Ala, kaya pala mabango guys. Popcorn.
That looks
Popcorn. Dalawang popcorn. Wow, thank you so much. Kaya pala mabango yung yung laman ng box. Pag
What's popcorn?
popcorn, fabric conditioner.
What's that?
Tamang-tama guys, ang dami pa namang labahan si Nalin ngayon. Sabon. Wow.
Just roll.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ma'am Joycel.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jason.
sa mga blessings na binigay
look at
mo.
me.
So, ayan. Dalawang Fabcon, 1 kilo, 1,000 mm. So, dalawang Fabcon, dalawang boting Fabcon. Tag, iisang litro ito, guys. Tapos, dalawang sabon. Thank you so much. Magagamit ko ito. Maglalaba ako ngayon, guys. Sa gabi lang kasi ako maglalaba. Yung tubig, malakas yung current ng tubig kapag gabi. So, ayan, tamang-tama. Binuksan natin sa gabi yung ating parcel. Ano ba yan, Sophie? So, ayan guys. Thank you so much, Ma'am Joycel. So, meron na tayong
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Jason.
thank you so much po. Tapos, meron pa tayong isang blessings na binigay. Galing ito kay
Ma'am Jason.
Incy Arlene McEwen. Thank you so much. Ayan, natin ito kanina.
Sira!
Lingkod na lang. Yan, meron pang syrup. So, ayan, si Sophia yung mag-unbox nito, guys. Si Sophia yung mag-ano nito, guys. Mag-unbox. O, meron pang syrup. Ano na lang, para gawing tatawagan nilang?
Pancake.
O, may syrup na kami, guys, para sa pancake namin. Ngayon lang. Init, oy. Thank you so much sa mga blessings na binigay.
This is for the you cook. When this is for the rice, Mom
Hit
just
pan.
told me
Oh, my
about
hit
it.
pan. Wow, thank you so much,
Now what
Insay.
is this?
Tamang-tama, hindi nyo? Tungtunganan po, sa rice
Thank you,
cooker.
Mommy Arlene, for the small hair ties because it's so cute and there's a lot of colors. What is this?
Tumbler.
A tumbler. Thank you.
Thank you so much. She has
She look
eraser.
like fruits because when you smell it look like they're new fruits like this. It's totally tasty. You can eat it. This is for Mommy. Oh, this is for my grandma.
This is, Annalyn and family. This is for me. Thank you so much, Incy.
And this is
Incy
my
Arlene. Oh, may toothbrush pa guys for Mama Puring. May pangalan Mama Puring. Dagaan ng toothbrush.
We have 3 toothpaste with my.
3 toothpaste. Thank you so much.
Oh my God!
Hana,
What
oy.
is this?
Mama
One pack
Puring.
of ballpen.
Oh, one pack of ballpen. Thank you so much
20
din. Ano?
4 crayons.
24
Thank you.
crayons.
There's 12 of these. I don't know.
And ayan, maraming sabon guys.
I like these.
Daming sabon. Lagi tayong maliligo
Thank
dito guys.
you,
Ang dami
because I
talaga
always
sabon.
want a new sharpener. Mommy will not gonna afford it because she don't want it.
Wow, naghanap siya. Sabon, oy.
We got 2 more because I have small hands and I cannot hold them very tight. I can
How many sabon in all?
12 but
Ganang sabon
so
guys, oh.
the last
Erase.
one is the syrup, so we can open the tape
Wala.
and we can smell it.
Ayo, open eh.
The tape.
Okay, open the tape. Basing mag-isi. Ay, ako'y open,
Wow.
be. Ako'y open na lang. Basig mag-isi ang kanila. Ako na lang. Di pa man ta mag-pancake.
Please.
Okay, natin open.
And can I smell it?
Sure. Excited talaga si Sophia, guys. Di pwedeng dili i-open.
Because I like it.
So, habang nag-open ako, shout out eh.
Shout out to my subscribers. So I like my fun day because I have a good day before my school tomorrow is a lot of doing tomorrow. So I always like this. And then mommy just opened my syrup for my pancake because I want to smell because I'm so excited of that.
Mhm.
Why?
Oh, inita.
Okay, where's your...
Kinit pa yun siya na to i-open lang.
Yeah, of course. Why?
Why?
I want to smell.
You wanna smell?
Yeah.
Ako lang ba kay kanang kuan kaayo. Ang tape kay kanang kuan kaayo.
What? Strong?
Very strong ang tape.
You can...
Protect ni siya nga dili siya makuan yabo inag kuan sa package. Allah,
That will gonna open when you...
first time namin ito talaga inse na magkaroon. Mo di ay kay wala day siya kuan lang mo nang kinahanglan siya og night tape kay naguba siya.
Oh, I see.
Thank you so much inse. Ala,
Can I have a little?
hindi na margarine tsaka sugar yung ano namin, may syrup na kami. Beato kabrihan. Sealed pa day siya lang. Ayun sakay, di pa man ta magkuan
Can
ma-seal.
we open? Because I want to see. But I want to taste. I always want to taste the... I want to taste a little straw. Like that.
No way. This one.
Mommy,
Mm.
can you go?
Kasi thank you so much. First time namin magkakaroon ng ganito. Sa tingnan, pancake syrup. So, ang sarap ito, guys. Tapos, meron pa.
Smell me.
Sobrang bango. Mabango. Mabango talaga itong curries, guys, no? Mabango yung yung sabon. Ang dami. Isang dosenang sabon yung pinadala. Yung binigay. So, tsaka meron pa, guys. Meron pang
Hat and mittens.
hat and mittens. Para kay
Meron pa
Sophia.
yung
Thank you
guys.
so much.
Sino to?
Kay Papa Natoy, Annalit's husband. Thank you so much, Itze. Ayan, magkasya to ni kay Papa Nuts. Na pala?
Next. This is from
Next.
sister.
For sister, Ate Kenzie. Thank you so much. Thank you, te. Meron pa ba? casual dress. Ayan guys, oh.
There's so many.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you, Inse.
There's more.
There's more? No more?
No more. That's the last one.
Ah, okay. For Nalin. Sakto.
There's no mine here.
Wow. Thank you so
There's no mine
much.
here, Mom.
Ay, mga dara, oh.
Where? No,
Parang
like
meetings.
this.
Wala na. Yung mga blessings na natanggap natin sa ngayon, guys. Thank you so much po sa mga taong nasa likod nito. Si Ma'am Joycel at saka si Insi Arlene McEwen. Thank you so much. Ayan. Talagang magagamit ko ito talaga, guys. Maglalaba ako. Sobrang bango. Ah, mabango
Mommy, can
talaga.
I break?
Tsaka yung sabon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mommy Jane. Thank you so much, Mommy. Thank you for my all subscribers.
Thank you, Ma'am Joycel. Thank you so much to our subscribers, especially Mommy Jane, Ma'am T, Tita, si Miss Joycel, saka si Insi Arlene McEwen. Thank you so much for all the blessings that you give us today. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Thanks for
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. Ayan, ang daming blessings namin natanggap ngayon. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, guys. Bye.